Let's make a Valentine card. First of all, you can practice on our YouTube, you need some tricky words to know our red words. Can you read this one? That's right, it says I. Let's practice. I, and you need one more tricky word. Can you read it? You, fantastic. Can you guess in our Valentine card? It needs to be something about love. So can you guess what the word I've written is going to go in the middle of our sentence? L of love. Let me move these words. So we now made a sentence. I love you. I love you. I need this sentence because that's what we're going to write inside our card. For your card, you need a piece of paper card that you just fold. And another smaller piece of paper you also hold. I'll show you now how to cut out the love heart. So, look, the folder bit has to be in the middle. And that's the bit that at the bottom you'll start drawing from. And you're going to draw a straight line all around like that. Okay? It's not perfect, it doesn't matter. It's important that it starts right in a corner because we're going to cut right there. Then you're going to cut all around. And then you're going to go down to the middle again. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect at all. But look at the magic now. When I open it, it's a love heart. So all I need is a bit of glue. Or quite a lot of glue actually to make sure it doesn't fall. And I'm going to stick it to make a love heart. You can stick it both ways. You can have it this way, so it stands like that. Or you can have it this way, whichever way you like. Then when I open my card, I need to remember my sentence. I need to write inside, I love you. Ready? I first. I. Then I'm going to make a finger space so it's not squashed. Love. And again finger space. And I need to write you. I don't think I've got space there, so I'll write it at the bottom. You. You. And because the Valentine card, I'm not going to write my name. I'm just going to write kisses. Not sure if you could see it very well, but can you see? I love you. And I wrote the same. I love you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. So now your Valentine card is ready. Either this way, so your mom or dad or whoever, or grandma, whoever you love, they can open like that. Oh, they can open it like that. I love you. You can even draw them love hearts, or you can draw them if you want. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to show with your helping hands, with your hugs, with your kisses and words. I love you.